Hello and welcome to this video where we look at the monitoring workflow for NewsWhip Spike. We'll review the best steps to efficiently monitor any topic or brand or person and report on it. The first step is to create a monitoring dashboard with searches using the topics you want to track. This dashboard should display the top articles and posts across the networks you're interested in. Our monitoring template uses the web articles, Facebook, Reddit and Twitter widgets set to the past 24 hours as default. As you scan through these feeds, some common questions that first come to mind are: what are the top news stories? How does it vary by network? Perhaps you're mentally preparing yourself for yet more bad news. These can be answered by paying attention to the engagement levels of each piece. So next, identify top news stories across various networks using widgets and metrics. These can be measured using the default total interactions metric, which includes likes, comments, and shares. If you come across a relevant article or post, you can open it in another tab for closer inspection. Reviewing at its source may also help you get a more complete understanding of the content, whether it is a delighted individual on Twitter or an outraged community on Reddit. Next, and it's an important one, determine the urgency of any news story and evaluate how widespread it has or might become. If it is, return to your dashboard and check your widgets to see if there are any similar stories being published. This can help you get a sense of how widespread the issue is and how it is being covered by other outlets. You can also check your social widgets to see if anyone significant has commented on the issue and how the public is reacting. It can help to use the predicted interactions metric and the reduced time range at this time, as it will make it clearer how likely a story is to become viral in the hours or days ahead. As you do this, gather and share relevant information to clients or stakeholders. Consider copying relevant articles and posts along with any accompanying data or screenshots to send on to any relevant parties. If the issue is not urgent, return to your dashboard and continue scanning for interesting articles. As you find these articles, you may want to bookmark them for future reference. This can help if you need to create a report on the topic. If you or the client you're working with cares about social media, which you probably do, continue to monitor social widgets for any significant comments or developments. Including a few public quotes in your report can be a good way to illustrate your points and capture the mood of the situation. And that brings us on to the last point, which is to export and analyze data for reports to help tell the full story. You can export data from NewsWhip Spike and import it into Excel for further analysis, or choose to send PDFs, or download images of our timeline charts. Hopefully the data you have pulled from your monitoring dashboards will help you communicate and tell the story to any stakeholders about the topic of interest. As you can see, monitoring like this can be a slightly manual process at times. However, these steps should help you set up an efficient approach. In the next video, we'll review how you can automate some of these processes with scheduled alerts. Thanks for watching.